Greetings from Danco Products. Today's video will be giving an inside look into the Cincinnati Work Center and how we use it to make the lock blocks for our rollbacks. Let's go take a look.
At Danco Products, we take pride in everything we do. All of our manufactured parts are made in Greencastle, Pennsylvania. Our lock blocks are no exception to the high quality we instill in all of our parts and products. The lock blocks have multiple steps that they undergo. They need to be drilled, bored, tapped, and drilled again to ensure the hydraulic fluid can flow to all the places it needs to go. Since our lock blocks are made in-house, we can also guarantee the sturdiness and durability of them. They get the job done, and they get it done well.